Compare the image search results for boy crawling and girl crawling. In the first, you see cute babies. In the second, you see scantily clad women in seductive poses. Similarly, compare schoolboy and schoolgirl. This sexist representation of women is, in part, a result of Google's extremely profitable revenue model. Through its 81% of global market share and 4.5 billion searches occurring every day, Google influences not just what internet content is visible, but also what content is created. Google made its $89.5 billion in 2016 in large part because companies find it a valuable advertising tool. In helping you find what you're looking for, Google helps companies find you. Conduct an image search for Amazon. Do the same for Cherokee. The results, dominated by the e-commerce company and the car brand respectively, tell us something important about how the internet works and who is more likely to benefit. Companies over communities and products over people. Within this model, females surface as products before they surface as people. The female body is a product and is therefore commoditized and sexualized. And from it, Google earns revenue, 43 cents per click for girls compared to that of 23 cents for boys. Not only is this current internet unequal, but artificial intelligence is programmatically encoding this discrimination into our future. Machines are learning that girls are sexualized women, while they're learning that boys are young male children. We don't know the full impact of AI, but it is already being built into technology we trust and depend on. And if the past is any indication, it won't equally respect us all. The system has become impossible to opt out of. You and your tribe will be represented online whether or not you contribute to it through self-representation. By creating content and learning to structure it for search engines, women can self-define and compete with interests working against their equal representation. I'm Gretchen Andrew, a search engine artist and internet imperialist who is developing communities and methods that seek to change this direction of the internet. Go to gretchenandrew.com/internet imperialism to learn more and find out how you can help.